Good, nice and very beautiful property. Excellent staff, very helpful and attentive, especially receptionist girl. Hotel is comfortable and clean. Worth value of money. Exceptional Kok San Sok Say, View Dep Va Kong Jun Tho Ong. Kok Ben Yon Vien Nia Ting. Exceptional. Kok San Ko View Tm Nuong Tianj Tianj Varung Thong Su Sing, Kong Kai Trong Line. Ban Nu Latan Su Nia Ting Voi Kok Lu Tru. De La La Dm Dung Chan Kuamin Cho Nung Lan Sao Kai Gate Than Light a Lot. 10 DMA. Wonderful stay in. We really enjoyed staying here, from lobby to room are all amazing and made me surprised. Room booking is included, breakfast and the food was great. Everything is perfect. I had a great time staying at the hotel. I was visiting Dalat in April and stay at the Gate Boutique Hotel for 3 nights. The place is nice with classic modern style. The room is cozy and very clean, plus great views of the mountains. The service is excellent, the staff are very helpful, especially the girl front desk, very active and helpful. They also have free breakfast and dinner. The location of the hotel is near Dalat Center and also near many restaurants on the hill in the area, so it's very convenient. The price of the room is affordable. Overall the hotel is excellent, I'd recommend it. Trading Heim Tot Nyan Vien Latan Kuakok San Ratatianch Vania Ting. Excellent service, accommodation and view, very good service. The room is clean and has a spectacular view. Highly recommend. Good service, good location, good service, clean room. Exceptional, good staff, good room, good location. Highly recommended. Overall everything was so good. The receptionist was so helpful and allowed us late checkout a bit without any charges. Room was really clean and view so nice, comfort bed. Barbecue next to the hotel. Thank you for everything. Highly recommended this place.